Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your hands rest somewhere on your body, your belly, your heart, your thighs, somewhere that feels natural to you. Now take a slow breath in and release. Again, breathe in and let it go. Let your eyes close softly, and just for a moment, stop trying to fix anything. Stop assessing. Stop comparing. Stop planning. Just breathe. Now bring your awareness to your body, exactly how it is right now. Not the body that you're working toward, not the body that you had before, but this one, right here. The one that carried you through everything. Now gently notice what comes up for you when you do that. Maybe a bit of discomfort. Maybe some criticism. Maybe a voice that starts listing everything that wants to change. That voice is not your enemy. It learned that from somewhere. It thought it was helping. Just let it be there. You don't have to fight it. Just notice it. And breathe. Now I want you to think about something. Has that voice ever actually worked? Has criticizing your body ever made you feel safe enough to care for it? Has shame ever been the thing that made you feel better? Take a breath here. The truth is, your body does not respond to war. It responds to safety. It responds to gentleness. It responds to being spoken to like something worth loving. Because it is. Place both hands on your belly now and just feel it rise and fall. This is the belly that has held you, fed you, breathed for you, carried you through the hard days when you didn't think you could keep going. Speak to it now, out loud or in your mind. Thank you. I'm sorry it took me so long, but I'm here now. Take a breath. Now let your hands move up to your heart and feel it beating. It has never once asked you to be different before it would keep going. It just keeps going. It just keeps loving you. What if you loved it back in the same way? Not when you reach the goal, not after the transformation. Now, just as you are. Say this with me. I am not at war with my body. My body is not my enemy. I choose to care for myself because I am worth caring for. Not because I am ashamed, because I love who and what I am becoming. And I love who and what I already am. Take a deeper breath here and just let that land in your body. Imagine what it would feel like to move your body from a place of love, to nourish your body because you deserve to feel good, to rest when you need to rest without guilt, without calling it failure, to choose health not as a punishment, but as an act of devotion to yourself. That is available to you, starting right now, right here, in this moment. And as your awareness gently returns, feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your hands on your body, the rhythm of your breath. Bring your palms together at your heart and simply say, "Thank you for this body. Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this moment of choosing something different. Thank you." And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes to carry this with you. The care you just offered yourself is the beginning of everything for you today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow.